Meaning of dry cleaners.
Dry cleaners.
Dry cleaners.
Dry cleaners.
Dry cleaners. A dry cleaner is a business or establishment that provides a specialized cleaning service for clothing and other textiles that are labeled dry clean only. The process of dry cleaning involves using a chemical solvent to remove stains and dirt from fabrics, without the use of water. Customers typically drop off their clothing at a dry cleaner's location and then pick it up once the cleaning process is completed. The result is typically clean, fresh-smelling clothing that has been professionally treated and handled.